So hey everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel, or if you're new here, hello, welcome. I'm Jack, but when I'm in drag, I go by Luna Rose, cause I'm the flower that blooms at night. And in today's video, we are carrying on my Halloween series by serving you a full-on cosplay transformation into Storm from X-Men. I've wanted to do this transformation into Aurora Monroe for such a long time now, and here she is in the flesh. Also, a random irrelevant fun fact, just like Aurora Monroe, I'm also claustrophobic. Told you, it was completely irrelevant. Nevertheless, I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up, comment down below any other looks you want to see from me, and don't forget to subscribe to our bitch and hit that notification bell to tell you when I upload. At the minute, I'm just trying to do as many Halloween transformations as I can throughout this month, so like I said, make sure you hit that notification bell to tell you when, videos go live. And also, I'm completely blind while I'm filming this intro, so I'm praying it comes together in the end, and yeah, I really hope you guys enjoy this look, and let's get into the tutorial, shall we? Thanks for watching. Bye. Good tongue pop. So I'm starting off this look with just my brows done and a little bit of concealer on my lid. I figured I would shave and do my base afterwards, since this look was going to be super smoky and there's bound to be fallout and it would just ruin my base makeup, and you can see how much of a transformation there really is. So to start off the eye look, I started by taking a matte kind of soft blue toned white from the Smoke Show palette from Colourpop under my brow bone, and then I took the soft grey in that same palette all through the crease of my eye and winged it back towards my temples. I wanted this look to be super smoky, dramatic and very drag, so I went heavy and winged it back. From here, I took a slightly deeper shade of grey and just really intensified this through the crease of my eye and just really smoked those two colours back and forth together until I created like the intensity that I wanted. From here, I then took a little bit of a matte black eyeshadow and just really deepened the crease of my eye. Again, I really wanted a super smoky, seductive look, so I went ham girl. I then carved out my lid using a little bit of concealer and set that down using that same initial kind of soft white blue toned kind of colour, but I do later go over it with that stunning silver in the palette. I deepened my crease a little bit more using a little bit of black eyeshadow, and then I was like, I'll just see what that shimmer's like since I've never even swatched it before, and girl, that was the ticket. I wanted it all over my lid, so that's exactly what I did. It is an absolutely stunning, like, silver glittery moment, and I was living for it. I then just smoked out kind of the outer edge of my lash line area using a little bit of black eyeshadow just to kind of give me an outline for my wing shape, which, girl, this was the worst wing liner I think I've ever done in my entire life, and I lost all hope.
They ask you how you are, you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
So yeah, I just filled in this very, 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 very exaggerated, very large cat wing shape, which actually in the end, when I put lashes on, didn't look too bad, so I just kind of rolled with it. Not gonna lie, this was the second time I tried to film this look today, so I was just going with it, and honestly, when I put lashes on, it looked so much better, but yeah, the liner was, not my favourite. So I just quickly shaved my face, and then it's time to do my base and a body. So I started by priming my face using a little bit of my Rimmel Correct primer, and then I colour corrected my beard area using a orange toned colour corrector. From here, I just did my body off camera using a mix of my Sally Hansen airbrush spray, a little bit of gold glitter and some moisturiser, just because I kept flashing my nips and I figured YouTube would block it. So once I did my body, I went back and used my Krylon TV paint stick in the shade 4W to help cover the beard area, and then I went in with my Maybelline Super Stay foundation for my base. To highlight, I went in with Ivory from the Krylon TV paint sticks, and I topped it with a little bit of my Too Faced Born This Way concealer. For contour, I used the shade 7W from the Krylon TV paint sticks, and then I used a little bit of 10W to extra define and extra contour up my face. I then did go back in and highlight the areas in the center a little bit more just to make it nice and poppy and give my face some actual bone structure, and then heavily set down using my Coty Loose Airspun powder. To kind of fill in my brows and add a little bit more dimension to them, I use that mid-tone deeper grey shade that I use in the crease of my eye, which, girl, I need to start using eyeshadow as brow products more often since I actually liked kind of how it looked. I then dusted off the excess Bake product. And then for my lash line, I took that mid-tone grey shade and just smoked it all along my lower lash area, and then softly blended it out using that first initial transition grey colour, just to create like a nice diffused but smoky effect. I then did take a little bit of the black eyeshadow closest to my lash line and also put a little bit more through my crease to make it a little bit more dramatic. Put some black kohl pencil in my waterline, and then extended the inner corner of my eye using my liquid liner, and then just really smoked out my lower lash line with some black shadow, since I wanted this look to be dramatic. So I went for it. I applied a lot of makeup, like literally all over my cheek, but you know, I like how it looked in the end. To bronze and contour up my face, I went in with my Give Face Cosmetics Visage palette and just heavily contoured my face. Like, I snatched that shit, girl. And then for blush, I just took a little bit of a coral toned blush. For lips, I went in with my favourite lip liner of all time, BH Cosmetics Earth Lip Liner, which is now just a little nubbin of a lip pencil left. I then filled that in with Velvet Teddy from MAC and highlighted the centre with a little bit of Fleshpot and a little bit of a white cream paint. I then did top my lips with the MAC Myth Lip Glass, and that's pretty much my go-to favourite lip I've ever done of all time, and I'm going to keep doing it over and over again. For lashes, I went in with my water dried lashes in the style Femme Top, and I double stacked them with Dominant to make it nice and dramatic. My white contact lenses were from Give Face Cosmetics, and then that is the finished Storm transformation. I really hope you guys enjoyed this look, and I'll see you in tomorrow's transformation. Thanks for watching! Please try.